Hi and welcome to Guitar from Zero. This is probably one of the hardest things to learn if it doesn't come natural, and it's strumming and changing chords at the same time, okay, and singing as well if you want to do that. Step by step. So we've had a look at the chords, and we know that we're not going to learn all the chords, we just want to learn a series of chords, and this will show you what I mean by that. Okay, strumming, that you get so many different symbols for strumming. Okay, the symbols we're going to use are arrows, which I find quite easy to teach people how to do. If we look at rhythm example 1, we have 8 arrows. There are 4 long arrows and there are 4 short arrows. The long arrows you strum, and the short arrows you move your arm in the direction of the arrow but don't hit the strings. So we've got a long arrow, short arrow, long arrow, short arrow, long arrow, short arrow, oops, long arrow, short arrow. Okay. You'll notice my arm is doing that all the time. Okay. I'm going to play 2 rhythms, and you just watch my arm. Okay, going like that. So it's down, 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 down. It's that all the time. Okay. Let's say it again. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. Doesn't change what I'm doing. If you want to look at a good guitar player, a rhythm player, it's Katie Tunstall. She's like that all the time. And if you turn the volume down, that's what you'll see. Okay. If you turn the volume up, you'll hear so many different rhythms for the same arm movements. So back to this. Long arrows, you hit the strings. Short arrows, you miss. Okay. Now don't concentrate too much on the missing arrows. If you look at further on in the text, the first strumming pattern, you hit down, 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 but you still move your arm in the direction of the short arrows. When I encounter beginners, they tend to stop when they don't need to strum. For example, that becomes sounds quite different, and also the timing will be out as well. So always keep your arm going like that. Don't stop when you don't need to strum. Still move your arm in the direction of the short arrows. So again, the first rhythm example, down, 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 down. Okay. The second example, there are long arrows going up as well, and short arrows going up. Okay. So here we need to say down, up, down, down. So it's hit, 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 miss, hit, miss. But we don't use the misses. We just say the long arrow direction. Okay. So it's down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. I'm still moving my arm like that. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Okay. I want you to practice this over the chord sequences you see. And this is where you start to learn the chords step by step. We'll look at the first example. It starts with a G at the beginning of the line, and it's a down, 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 down. We then go to the next chord, which is a C, and underneath it says etc., which means just play the same rhythm as you did before. Okay, so we have a G, C, A minor, D, E minor, E minor. That is the full chord sequence or the full song. What we want to do is to break that down, and we're going to play the first chord, which is a G. In the previous lesson, there was that G. I don't use that, I use that G. Use your G, and we strum with the first rhythm pattern example, which is a down, 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 down. Okay. We then need to change to the C. So we've got the chord change. If you have to stop to get your fingers on, for now that's fine, but get your fingers on there, and the thumb stops the E string, and I'm going to play the C. Down, 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 and that is it. Okay, don't go to the A minor, don't carry on, keep going with those 2 chords. G, 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 and C, 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 C. Now this is where metronome becomes very, very handy. If you have a metronome, use it. If you look on YouTube and type in metronome, you'll get lots of different metronomes. Try and find one where the first beat is different from the rest of the other beats. So it might go click, 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 like that. That's what you want, a different first beat, so you know which is the first beat. And try and stick to that metronome. I would say start it at 60 beats per minute. To show you what a metronome is, 60 beats per minute, raise it to 70 beats per minute, and then to 80, and try and make your way to 120. Okay? So for 60 beats per minute, we're going to do the G, 1, 2, 3, 4, the C. Okay? Then learn the C and the A minor. C, A minor. Okay, C, A minor. Okay, and then step by step, we're going to play the G, the C, the A minor. G, put your metronome on, C, A minor. Do that until you become sort of competent, not perfect, but so you remember the chords and change them. If you change them, it might be a bit like this, but try and get in with the metronome. If you struggle with the 4 strums, cut it to 3 or cut it to 2 to be able to change to the timing of the metronome. Okay. And in the next example, again, try and do it to a metronome. We're going to do the same sort of thing. With the second chord structure, we've got an A, D, E, D, A, D, E, D. I'm going to play the first 2. So it's down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Okay, we're going to just use those 2 chords. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Okay, so go through that step by step, don't rush, take your time, learn 2 chords, then learn another 2 chords, put those chords together, and then learn another chord, put that together. Okay? Don't learn all the chords, take your time with that. Now I said about the capo, what will a capo do? It will change the pitch, or the key. So if I put it here, and I play that same, I'll do the first chord progression, G, C, A minor, D. Let me do it open first. So I'm going to do G, C, A minor, D, and E minor. I'm now going to put the capo on fret 3. So in theory, I'm going to play G. That's a G. Now I'm going to play here. That becomes an B flat. A B flat. Okay. So now I'm going to play the same chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. A C, A minor, a D, and E minor, and E minor again, okay? So you can hear the key of the song is a lot higher, and although using the same chords, the capo has changed the pitch or the key of the song. So that's a capo, that is the chord sequence. I think we're going to move on to the songs.